You do not need to be a crafter or an artist to create a scrapbook album. These all-in-one kits we call Easy Albums include everything you need to create a 30-page handmade scrapbook album in no time at all. When I tell people that I work at Scrapbook.com, I often hear people respond with, "Oh, I'd love to make a scrapbook, but I just don't have the time." Or I hear, "I'm just not crafty enough to make a scrapbook." And that's why we created Easy Albums. These all-in-one kits include everything that you need to create a beautiful scrapbook album. Our stories and memories need to be captured and preserved in these albums, and our photos printed, not lost in computers and phones. These high-quality albums will be treasured gifts in your family. They'll be heirlooms. They'll pass down from generation to generation. Your family will absolutely love these.